everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day and staying safe and all that fun stuff. The border's still closed, so probably next year we'll be able to get into the States. We're not sure. So it makes it kind of hard because I've been looking at the orange Elmas, and I'm having a very hard time paying $75 for international shipping. So probably next year, who knows. If they open it sooner, then maybe, but we'll see. Today I have a unboxing. This is a custom order from All the Straps. She makes each strap according to what you want, basically. And pretty fast shipping from the UK. It was about 14 or 15 days approximately, and the price isn't bad as well. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. Make sure you hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And that's at least once a week, most of the time more than that. And if you're new, thanks for coming by. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. It comes in a box like that. Got my blade. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, she's super easy to communicate with too, so I'll leave all her information below if you're looking for a strap for anything, really. Yeah, she has like really excellent pricing, so. Okay, so it comes in the box like that. I got it open on the side there. Okay, comes in tissue paper. I wish I had a discount code, but I don't. All About Straps, thank you for your purchase. We hope you will love it. Alright, so that's what that looks like. Came in red tissue paper. Okay. Alright. And this is the one that I got. This was like a peacock kind of design, which I thought was kind of cool. With the gold hardware, the clips are pretty good size. And then with the tan backing, basically. She makes all these by hand. And she makes them per order. So it's like a custom order, basically. Yeah, this is really nice. This is nicer than I thought. And I guess this pattern, she's not going to be getting anymore. And it also has adjustment too. So I thought this would be pretty cool, actually, on any bag. And when I can get my Elma, that's going to look pretty cool because it has all these really cool colors. And then the backing is neutral, so yeah, brown, orange, green. There's some purple in there, beige. So yeah, they're really made really well. All right. So that's my cool strap, and I'm gonna try it on different bags, and maybe I can put a video together, like with my Doonies and maybe my Louis. You know, just to see what the what it would look like on different straps, different bags. same strap kind of thing. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty quick delivery time too from the UK, so I think it was at about 14 or 15 days approximately, so yeah, it's very cool. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be like perfect. Okay, so I probably will be ordering more from her. And this strap was not gifted. I paid full price for it. But even if it was on a discount, it's still worth it to pay full price because all the work that goes into this is pretty amazing actually. And you can get silver hardware, gold, different backings. She has a whole list, so you can customize the strap basically the way you want it. And then that's the adjustment there. Alright. So until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.